Here, in the highlands of Malaysia, I'm on a mission to showcase an iconic plant. One so unique, it looks like something straight out from the world of Avatar. With light being scarce on the forest floor, this plant has evolved an interesting way to maximize every bit of it. But first, we need to locate it. With its shaded slopes and constant moisture from the waterfall, this ravine offers the perfect conditions for our plant to thrive.
Moisture is key for this plant, and they can often be found growing near cascading waterfalls, which is exactly where we're at right now.
But to reach the plant, we would have to descend further.
So this is Begonia pavonina, also known as the Peacock Begonia.
Although it appears blue, it's not actually blue. It only looks that way from certain angles. This phenomenon, called iridescence, works much like the colors on soap bubbles or a peacock's feathers. Tiny structures within the leaves reflect and scatter light in a way that produces the shimmering blue appearance. It's these similarities to the iridescent colors of peacock feathers that inspired its name, pavonina. And it's not just for show. It's part of the plant's survival strategy, helping it capture and use light more efficiently in these dim shaded forests. In the depths of these rainforests, plants like Begonia pavonina remind us that nature's greatest gift is its ability to astonish us, one plant at a time.